This West Linn home offers beauty, privacy, thoughtful design, and panoramic views of Mount Hood. It's all in a prime location in Hidden Springs Ranch, near parks, shopping, and great schools, plus optional membership to a private pool and tennis courts. Perched on a quiet street, this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home spans more than 3,700 square feet, fully renovated with high-end finishes. The main level is filled with natural light, vaulted ceilings, and engineered hardwoods. From the elevated back deck, savor peaceful Mount Hood views. The living room flows into the chef's kitchen with high-end finishes, a commercial-grade fridge and freezer, a 36-inch gas range, and a walk-in pantry, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The main-level primary suite features custom cabinetry, a tiled walk-in shower, and generous closet space. A second bedroom and full bath on this level add flexibility for guests or extended family. The expansive lower level includes a cozy family room with a fireplace, large utility room, ample storage, a movie room, two more bedrooms, a full bath, plus bonus space for a gym or playroom. Outside, you can enjoy year-round entertaining under the covered patio, make memories by the fire pit, or tend to your garden. Just steps from Palomino Park, the neighborhood trail, and the Hidden Springs pool and tennis courts, this home blends stunning views with everyday comfort. Beautifully renovated and ideally located, this home defines West Linn living. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.